Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, our Paw Patrol friend Apollo has a special delivery for us. A beautiful golden envelope. I wonder what's inside. We are going to do some learning today, Tiny fans. And since we believe learning should be fun, at the end, we are going to open a Series 3 mini boo. Let's do some simple reading of words today with our friend Apollo. Woof, woof. I am going to pull a snowman card out of the golden envelope, and Tiny Treasures Mini is going to read the word with you, Tiny fans.
This. Was. Words. That. But. What if? With. They. At. What. Are. We. By. He. Said. Be. Were.
Good job, Tiny fans. Did you notice that one of the snowmen had a little sticker of a heart for a button? Now it's time to open our surprise. I'm really hoping we get the mystery chaser. It's a little orange bag. And let's just have a little peek. Oh my goodness. I see gold glitter. This is the mystery chaser, Tiny fans. How exciting. It's Sapphire, the blue dragon. And it's covered in golden sparkles. Oh, yay. Our mini boo collection is definitely getting bigger. Let's look at the flyer and see who we have already. We have Pinky, Skylar, Patsy, and I believe we have Precious and Bubblegum. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.